Welcome to the Bavarian town of Mannheim, the headquarters of accessory specialist Hammer since 1945. Hammer now has 1,500 employees in Germany and 2,500 worldwide. The company's current range includes 18,000 products, from photo, TV, tablet, and smartphone accessories to household goods and school backpacks. Hammer puts more than 4,000 new products on the market each year. More than 100 project managers and designers, as well as production partners in Europe and East Asia, contribute their expertise and experience to development and production. This has allowed Hammer to grow into the uncontested leader on the accessories market since it was founded in 1923. The heart of company headquarters is the 100,000 square meter storage and shipping logistics center. After the building was commissioned in 1990 and then extended, it was expanded in 2014 to become one of the industry's largest and most modern shipping systems in Europe. Some 2,000 pallets are received in the incoming goods department every day. Before the goods are cleared for sale, quality assurance checks all the standards and performance values against the test results of the initial sample and state-of-the-art production tests once again. Because at Hammer, quality, functionality, and safety are top priorities. 52,000 pallet spaces in the automated high-rack storage area ensure constant stock provisioning. Partial quantities of each product are immediately available in the automated bin and box storage area. 6 repackaging stations then ensure that the goods are stored by product when they arrive in the shuttle warehouse, where they are supplied centrally for picking. In accordance with the goods-to-person concept, 2,400 bins are transferred to 15 picking stations each hour. During picking, the quantity of a product required for each order is placed in the order line bin prepared for this process, and the rest is returned to the shuttle warehouse. An order line is equivalent to 1 line of an order. The order line bins are temporarily stored in the order line buffer until the goods for a package are complete there. 36 fully automated shuttle cars sort the bins into the right packing order. Large heavy products at the bottom and small light products at the top, and send them on to one of 15 packing stations. This happens at the same moment that the shipping box prepared for this order is allocated. In this way, up to 65,000 order lines are picked in 2-shift operation each day. All workstations in the new system were designed to take the latest developments and ergonomic aspects into account. Lifting bases offer customized working heights, while tilt functions, anti-fatigue mats, and touch screens with large fonts enhance ease of use for employees. In the delivery preparation area, a camera initially documents the box contents. Once the empty spaces have been filled with bubble wrap, the boxes are automatically covered and weighed. Afterwards, they are labeled, and the shipping documents and dangerous goods labels are attached. Shipping freight is collected in a shipping buffer with 3,000 spaces and sorted using a packaging outline. A robot palletizes the goods. However, some 80% of the packages ready for shipping are loaded straight from the packaging area to the waiting swap bodies of our shipping partners using telescopic conveyors. That means that at peak times, an incredible 500,000 accessory products leave Mannheim for all ends of the earth each day so that consumers can buy them from specialist retailers. The control station is the nerve center of Hammer's shipping logistics system. The control station is where all transport movements and system components are controlled and monitored, from incoming goods to shipping and ensuring that orders are received on time. In order to ensure top performance, not only the entire shipping logistics center, but also the IT processing center was completely redesigned and equipped with cutting-edge server worlds, intelligent software solutions, and reliable data transmission technology. But Hammer has even more to offer behind the scenes of its enormous logistics system. In particular, high-performance packaging production and assembly ensure great time to market and flexibility. The tool workshop, blister packaging area, and print shop produce millions of window and box packaging units in order to finish custom packaging of most goods on site.